Welcome to Build Blockchain App with Solidity Smart Contract in 2 hours course, where you'll create your first blockchain app step by step by using modern Ethereum and web technologies. My name is Denis and I'll be leading you through the course. I have more than 9 years of experience in IT, and currently I work at Robo Markets as technical project manager, where we are implementing payments via Ethereum. I designed this course for complete beginners who are new to blockchain technologies, who want to start career in the world of blockchain. By taking this course, you will save a lot of time to study how to assemble blockchain tools and techniques together, systematize knowledge, and be able to develop fully fledged blockchain apps from scratch. The course consists of 3 sections, 4 lectures each, where we'll go over basic operations with cryptocurrencies and wallets, moving to development of Ethereum smart contract with Solidity language. Finally, you'll create a web app for the smart contract by using React JavaScript library and the latest version of Ethereum development tools. The ideal student for this course is anybody who wants to dive fast into blockchain technologies through practice of creating Ethereum apps, but struggles with choosing where to start. There are no necessary requirements for this course. I only ask you to have basic knowledge of working with a computer. Feel free to take a look through the course description, and I look forward to seeing you inside.